Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to solve numerical based upon equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. So from Nernst equations we know that log Kc is equal to E naught cell into n upon 0.0591. So from here Kc is equal to anti-log E naught cell into n upon 0.0591. Clear? So now question is zinc plus Cu 2 positive aqueous converted into Zn 2 positive aqueous plus Cu. Standard electrode potential of this zinc is given minus 0.76 volt and this standard electrode potential of this plus 0.34 volt. Calculate equilibrium constant. So we know that from Nernst equation log Kc is equal to E naught cell into n upon 0.0591. So from here Kc is equal to anti-log E naught cell into n upon 0.0591. E naught cell, that is standard EMF of the cell, and n number of electron inwards. So from here we have Zn is converted into Zn2 positive plus 2 electron. This is your anode. Cu2 positive by gaining 2 electron is converted into Cu. So that is your cathode. ठीक है. So from here E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So this is your cathode and this is your anode. So E naught cell cathode, that is 0.34 volt, minus and minus plus 0.76 volt. So this become 1.10 volt. And here one more thing, n is equal to 2. 2 electron lose and 2 electron gain. So that means n is equal to 2. So put this value here. Kc is equal to anti-log E naught 1.10 into n 2 upon 0.0591. So this become Kc is equal to 30 anti-log 37.22. So if we calculate the anti-log of this become 1.66 into 10 raised to power 37. This is your Kc, equilibrium constant. Clear? One more numerical. Second one, calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction Fe solid plus Cu2 positive aqueous, Cd2 positive aqueous, that converted into Fe2 positive aqueous plus Cd. Standard electrode potential of this and standard electrode potential of this. So we know that from Nernst equation log Kc is equal to E naught cell into n upon 0.0591. So from here Fe is converted into Fe2 positive aqueous by losing 2 electron. This is your anode, and at the same time Cd2 positive is converted into Cd by gaining 2 electrons. So this is your cathode, and again n is equal to 2. So E naught cell E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So cathode is this cadmium and its standard electrode potential is given minus 0.40 minus 0.44 volt. So this is equal to plus 0.04 volt. Clear? So again put value. Log Kc is equal to 0.04 into 2 upon 0.0591. Okay, So if we calculate this, log Kc is equal to 1.3536. So Kc is equal to anti-log 1.3536. So this become Kc is equal to 22.57. Clear? So this is your second numerical. One more numerical here. We have calculate equilibrium constant for this disproportion reaction at 25 degrees Celsius. Cu plus converted into Cu given 0.52 volt and E naught Cu2 positive oblique Cu positive given by 0.16 volt. Clear? So again we know that log Kc is equal to E naught cell into N upon 0.0591. So from this is disproportion reaction. A single species is oxidized and reduced. So from here Cu positive is converted into Cu2 positive by the loss of one electron. So that means this is your anode, and Cu positive by gaining one electron is converted into Cu. This is your cathode. So from here N is equal to 1 and E naught cell. So this is your cathode, this much 0.52 minus this is your anode 0.16. So E naught cell is equal to how much? 0.36 volt. So log Kc is equal to 0.36 into N1 divided by 0.0591. So this become 6.09. So Kc is equal to anti-log 6.09 and Kc is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, Kc is equal to anti-log 6.09 and Kc is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power 6. This is the value of anti-log 6.09. Okay, thank you.